Welcome to our new video. Let us today discuss what is meditation and how to meditate. Meditation is not when you have certain way of meditating. Let's say you have a specific thing that you do that will bring you to meditation. Let's say, for example, transcendental meditation. What is transcendental meditation? It is meditation in which you transcend the state in which you are and go something else or become something else. But what that really means? First, to realize that you have to look inside of you and see. We live our daily life thinking all the time. There is no single second in our life where our brain isn't completely and constantly working, always thinking, always comparing. We are so bored with everything that's happening around us. We are so used to how the world looks around us, and we want something bigger, something special, something more than what this really is. We want to become something extraordinary. We want to have a higher consciousness. We want to reincarnate, to help other people, everything to escape from that which really is. And that is, we are never now. We are never in a presence. We are never completely watching, observing what is happening outside and inside and not wanting to change it. As a result of leading such a life, our brain becomes dull. It becomes tired. It cannot straight think. It is always comparing, always looking for something new, always looking some bigger experience, something better, something transcendental. Never looking what really is. Is that a meditation? Is the meditation where your small ego transcends something and becomes bigger ego? No, that is not meditation. Now let us look at the mantras. You have a guru and he says, here's a mantra for you. Repeat this word. Repeat over and over and over. And you will reach that state where your brain is just now. But does it really help? Have you ever tried something as a mantra? Let's say we have a mantra that says Om or Amen. We are saying all the time Amen, Amen. Or Om, 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 Om. Our brain starts to repeat that over and over and over. And in that process, it became still. But it's not the still that is needed to watch and observe. It is a mechanical state. A state in which you diminish your capacity of brain because you are literally saying one thing over and over and over until it stops thinking of everything else. That is not meditation. Now let us go further. Is there a meditation where you have some technique that you have to do? Let's say breathing. It's always linked to meditation. Breathe and calm yourself. Does it really help you? Yes, it can help you in a moment where you are in a panic, where you need your state to bring yourself to calm level. But is that a meditation? Or meditation is completely something else, completely different. When you watch your breathing, try it for yourself. Don't just listen to me, do it with me. Let's say we are doing now. What has happened while you are breathing? What is happening while you are breathing? You stop your brain from thinking and focus your brain on breathing. So the brain is again tiring itself. It's recording. It's not still. It's not watching. It is just changed one thing to another. Instead of thinking I have to go, I have to do, now it's doing I have to breathe. And I have to watch how I breathe. So it's the same thing as before. If you want to go in duality, you can say this state is better than this state. And I would agree with you. But that is not meditation. It is just a way for calming yourself. But if you really want to do meditation, first, you have to be completely free from all that which is not meditation. You have to try it, watch it, observe, and see what meditation is not. When you are free from your thoughts, when you are free from what meditation should look like, perhaps then you can start to meditate. Perhaps only then your brain will be in a presence, watching, observing what is really happening inside and outside. Perhaps that is a start of meditation. As always, try it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Watch. Ask yourself all this question. And the most important question, can I be free from everything that my brain is thinking and from the knowledge that I've learned? And can I stop my brain from thinking all the time? I wish you a lot of luck and a lot of observation in your journey. And I hope you can reach this place and start really meditating. As always, thank you for watching. And until next time, please watch some more videos or meditate. Infinite love.